morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm doing is I am tackling Blakelys Closet. Now typically I have all of Caitlin and Blakely's stuff together. I will go ahead and show you that. Now again, Caitlin is 5 and Blakely is 1. So on the outside here I've got like bloomers, pull-ups, like house shoes that they hardly ever wear but just in case, and then shorts for Caitlin, so you can just go ahead and pick that. Here I put my extra hangers and stuff I need to hang up. Now I probably need to straighten it up a little bit, but it actually is still quite really functional, so please be nice in the comments. But it is a little bit disheveled. That's because I do have a lot of stuff in here, so I don't know how long the two of them can share a closet, but we're gonna try. So here's everyday Blakelys clothes, every day. Now this is like 2 or 3 sizes here, so do keep them in mind too. Here's Blakely's dresses. Here's Caitlin's dresses, and then down here is Caitlin's everyday clothes. In this bin is Blakely's shorts, so I can just grab those. Now down here on the floor, in this basket is Caitlin's PJs, and that basket is Blakely's. So the reason why it looks so disheveled is because when they pick out their PJs at night, they tend to just throw them everywhere. Now over here, since we're about in the process of potty training in the bed, I've got some extra sheets just right here instead of it being downstairs. Under here is where I really need to, just things that have fallen, stuff like that, and there's just really a lot of stuff in here. So whenever you have a lot of stuff, up here in this bin is pants that we'll soon be wearing, and here's warm PJs that we don't need, extra pull-ups, filters that we have to have for upstairs, and clothes that Caitlin really is not able to wear yet, but it's getting there. So that's kind of the reason why I've got to tackle Blakelys Closet, because I need to have a better space. So I can fix this a lot better if I had somewhere to put Caitlin's extra clothes, the filters, maybe the diaper, like the extra stuff. If I could put that in Blakelys Closet, which is my plan, then this one wouldn't look so bad because it has so much stuff in it. And this is really quite like organized still. I know there's just a lot in here, and that's why it looks like that. But as we're about to change seasons, so I've got the warm in here as well as the cool weather stuff. So it's just kind of just too much. So that is why I've got to deal with Blakelys Closet. Now before, what I was doing is I was just packing up into boxes Caitlin's and Blakely's stuff and just throwing them in there. Well then, I'll show you what happened. I needed to find something. I think I had to find Blakely a bathing suit or something, or a dress or something like that. And so I just was looking for something. So I pulled everything out of the closet, and this is what happened. Look at this. There's boxes, there's stuff thrown everywhere. This is just not what I want to do. I'm not saying I can't do boxes, it just can't be like this. And so I just threw it everywhere. Here's some extra clothes, and then the shelving of course broke as well, because the problem is actually standard size closets, because this is an old house, so it's like very small. So I've taken a shelving system, and I actually am using one shelving system for both closets. The problem is it doesn't give enough support to hold it up. So what's happened is it's fallen. So now what I gotta do is fix this. I bought some shelf support, and then I'm gonna have to restart doing everything. So it's obviously not ideal. It's a work in progress. I'm still like just kind of getting used to kind of having the two with the 2 different closets. So before, this was just completely storage. So now it's gotta go away and just have storage for clothes. So that is my project for today. I don't think I'll get it done, but I'll show you little comment down below if you like better like a time lapse, or if you just like to do the updates, because the updates are definitely easier, and just because I don't always do it in one full sitting, because anybody who has kids knows you probably have about 30 minutes at a time to work on it. So I'm gonna work for a good 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Hopefully the plan is for this 30 minutes is to continue to remove everything that's in here, well at least everything on the floor. The stuff on the hangers on the sides, these are like metal rods, so I probably won't move those anyways. So remove the stuff off the floor and fix the shelving system. That is my, session 1 that I'm going to work on. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Guys, so 30 minutes later, this closet system, I bought it from Lowe's. It is horrendous. I do not recommend it for anybody. It just comes straight out of the wall. It like took so much effort to get it to work. I'll see what people pay people to put in closets. Totally understand that now. But, so now I've taken everything else out of the closet. I have swept the floor, and now I had whatever was hung up there. I've already went ahead and organized that, and I have the closet system ready. Fortunately, my time is now up, and so I'm gonna hopefully get another 30-minute session later today, but I don't know because this is the room that Blakely naps in. So I don't know, maybe tonight before she goes to bed. I don't know, because the problem is it's in her room, so whenever she sleeps or naps, which is usually my time to work, she's in here. So, but the good news is it should go quicker, and I'm gonna try to, my goal is gonna be to try to hang up as much of this as I can. My goal is now hang up the next set of clothes for Caitlin and the next set of clothes for Blakely. So I'm gonna show you what I've got. So here's how it looks so far. Now that box right there is like Sean's like old trophies and sentimental stuff. So I don't really know where I'm gonna put it. So I'll leave it here for now. I may take it to the barn later, but for our storage room. But for now, this is what it's gonna look like. So here's our closet system. These shelf brackets are really what makes the difference. Now these two metal bars were in there originally. Now I do have this one extra shelf I've now put in, but it needs a shelf bracket. So you can see it's super flimsy. So I do need to get one more of those. So I won't put anything major up there, at least not for now. But see, now we're a lot more secure up here, a lot more secure, and a lot more secure. So I can put stuff on top of that. So I'd like to have some bins, but I'll probably put other stuff. So here's my goal. This ongoing process, that's after 2 sessions of 30 minutes working. So now I'm gonna show this, and then I'm gonna be on to my 3rd session of 30 minutes working. But now I have a for sure plan. I've got boxes here for where I'm gonna do a no fold system for the shorts and the pants. And then over here is stuff that's gonna actually go back into their closet right now. And we're making some progress. Definitely making some progress, and now I have a good system. So here we go. Guys, session number destroyed. So this one and this one just came back off again. So I got some more shelf braces. So I've got 2 here and then 1 here. So I think it's a lot better now. So that took forever again. So right now, here we're going good. Going good, going good, going good. But then I ran out of hangers. So then I had another stop. So right here is all stuff needs to be hung up. Right here is all stuff that needs to be hung up. And then I've already started my containers and the stuff that I guess I'm not gonna hang up. But I've got some more hangers now, so I'm ready to continue on. So I'm gonna give it about 15 minutes, because I have about 15 minutes to spare. Then I'll do another 15 minutes here in a little bit. Remember, shelving has fallen. So you can tell me I am absolutely about to lose my mind. Okay, so I bought about 7 packages of the pink little hangers from Dollar Tree. So that's 7 times 6. So that's 42 hangers for $7. So that's really not bad. But now I'm completely full of this, which is all 4T, which is Blakely's next size up. This would be 7/8, which is Caitlin's next size up. These are Blakely's winter time right now. And here's Caitlin's winter time right now, because these should be down here. And overflow 4s should be here. I still have these that need to be hung, and these need to be hung, and unfortunately there's some still left in here. So my room still looks a huge mess. This session, and so I've just done about 30 more minutes finally, and I've got another round of hangers, so I think I am finally done. I say that for now. So I have shoes right here that they currently can wear, some of which don't have a match, but we'll find them. Right here is Blakely's next time wearing, as well as right here, that's overflow, so way too much of those. And then I also have the 4T pants that goes with it, as well as the 4T shorts underneath there that goes with that. Then underneath there is 5 t-shirts. Then we have 5 t-shorts, 5 t-pants that Caitlin's still currently in. Then up here we have, well actually, okay, sorry, all over the place. This is for the winter for Caitlin, which will be 6s, 5 6s right here. Right here is for winter for Blakely, so that'd be 2s and 3s. This will be for next year for Caitlin, which are 7 8s, Now down here in that box is more 7/8 that need to be hung up. Right here in this box is more 4Ts actually that needs to be hung up. But I have now probably spent about almost $30 in the hangers. So I'm just gonna call it good for there. Now up here we have 10-12 shirts, 10-12 more 10-12 like clothes for Caitlin, and then 12-14 clothes for Caitlin, and 10-12 pants for Caitlin as well. So this is kind of what it's looking like. So much more space. Oh, and this big box right here is shoes that that Blakely can't wear yet. So still a work in progress, but so much better. So okay, just take it. So thank you for watching. We now have an updated Blakely. Let's talk like this. This is better lighting. Okay, yeah. So thank you for watching. So now we have an updated like spare kids closet. So Caitlin and Blakely share a closet, and then now we have this one for whenever they alternate clothes in and out. So I'm gonna have a lot better handle on what is happening. Now as far as when Blakely outgrows them, I am just storing them in our guest bedroom for now, because we do not know if we're gonna have another baby or not. We're gonna hopefully make that decision in the next couple years. So that's still gonna be a work in progress, but as she grows out of it, they will probably eventually move out of the house. So because we're probably done having kids, well, we'll see. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. God bless, be adventurous, and we'll see you next time. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Bye.